hard to see because it's black and it's hidden, but I've created like an under shelf storage thing for my Wacom tablet. Oh, let me get that in now. It just keeps it out of the way in the center of my desk, and you can't even see it because it's black, it's all dark, and that way I can carry on with whatever keyboard I want to do. Just keep my desk tidy when I'm not using the graphics tablet, which is most of the time actually, to be perfectly frank. But yeah, nice. Pleased with that. Very simple, very simple. Basically one of these. This is a prototype. It was a little bit too thin. It was fine for this way, not for the other. So I made it a little bit bigger. These are a bit thicker. Really hard to see actually. And yeah, it just like literally just slides in here. You could use it for a keyboard as well. Like you could probably use it as some kind of keyboard stand or any kind of tray that you want to put under there that's strong enough to support itself. But I use it for my graphics tablet.